Good morning, everyone. I am going to explain the machine learning applications case study. My case study name is Traffic Signal Control using Machine Learning. My name is Abhijit Prakash Pawar, roll number 50. Machine learning. Machine learning is the method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. Traffic signal control. Traffic signal has been long standard topic in urban traffic control. Ineffective and the inflexible traffic control at urban intersections can often lead to the objection in traffic flow and will definitely lead to the congestion of traffic. How we manage the traffic in smart manner is the big challenge in urban traffic management. Traffic control. Traffic control highlights the currently are flexible in sequence and with a time delay which follows the particular cycle while switching from the signal to another. Sometimes this might cause a lots of congestions on the roads, mainly when there are the many vehicles at some parts of the road. The sequence of the traffic signal causes the green light glow for the parts of the road where there are few vehicles. These are the diagrams how our traffic controls how works. Road traffic lights, action, states and rewards. Objectives. The project aims to reduce the traffic congestions and unwanted long time delay and provides the better approach to this by calculating the density of traffic each parts of the road and simulating to provide the best solutions in the order to reduce the congestions and some cases to stop giving the green lights indications to some roads where there are less number of vehicles. Overview. Overview of a project is dependent upon the density based on the traffic control using machine learning. In nutshells, machine learning is not all learnings is highly accurate predictive and the classifier model or finding the unknown parts of the data. Design of the system. The project is instead to design a system which uses deep natural networks algorithms which is the base subsets artificial intelligence which will provide the intelligence to the current traffic control system. Present of the four-way junction. The system is mainly aimed to replace the conventional timing traffic control system our artificial intelligence systems. This is the diagram. Our workflow of system. Detection of vehicle. We detect the number of vehicles. We use the natural network algorithm as a basic of design. Frameworks for the natural network is must be before the starting design the algorithms. We use TensorFlow frameworks or Kern frameworks to create the natural networks which will detect the number of vehicles. The conventional network is used to which one of the type of natural network. Design of the solutions. There are five components of design shown in figure. Video one of different traffic conditions where the take out decisions. The object dependency applications analyze the video footage. The data of video footage analyzed where we used to build traffic models. Traffic models were used to simulate the situations so that the current FCTL system and protocols will work. The product diagrams of our system. Record the traffic condition video. Object detection applications, fixed cycle traffic light system traffic, intelligence traffic light system traffic model, and the simulations. Object detection. We use object detection technology to TensorFlow analyze the video footage of our road, to recognize the object types and the footage. We can use calculate the number of vehicles and predict the interest in a specific period of time. Detailed designs of algorithm. This is our algorithms works. The diagram, four number of diagrams shows the flow and the signal switching in the intelligence traffic signal system. And the fifth diagram will show the currently FCTL system using the Hong Kong. Condition determine the flow of intelligence traffic light switching. This is the algorithm diagram, flow of signal switching in the fixed cycle training lights FCTL. Conclusion: the projects use natural networking and the reinforcement learning to create an intelligent traffic signal control that takes into the considerations of the special temporal characteristics of the urban traffic flow. Q-learning technology performs to extract the information from the state space in order to derive the optional signal control policy and performs the large state of space, which consists of the real-time vehicle positions and the speed. Four traffic patterns are used in sumo simulations. The simulations demonstrate the performance of the reinforcement learning approach under the different traffic patterns against the benchmark method in terms of queue length and wait time. Thank you.